Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading for June 29th, 2026, Part 1. Today's theme is America's 250th birthday. The Star-Spangled Banner, America's National Anthem, by Martha E. H. Rustad, illustrated by Kyle Poling. Chapter 1, A Patriotic Song. Time for music class. Today we're singing the national anthem. Our national anthem is called the Star-Spangled Banner. It is about the U.S. flag, Ms. Hill says. She plays the national anthem. Chapter 2, A War Poem. We learned poet Francis Scott Key wrote the national anthem. The U.S. was fighting a battle. This was during the War of 1812, says Ms. Hill. We read the lyrics. Oh, say, can you see, by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? This means the writer was trying to see something in the dark, Ms. Hill explains. Whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, or the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming? Perilous means dangerous, Ms. Hill says, and a rampart is a fort wall. Mr. Key was waiting to see which flag flew over the fort. This showed who won the battle. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. The rockets and bombs lit up the night sky, said Ms. Hill. Mr. Key saw the U.S. flag by that light. He knew we had won. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? What is the Star-Spangled Banner, Ms. Hill asks. Our flag, we say. Chapter 3, Our National Anthem. Why do we sing the national anthem? Asks Pauline. To celebrate our country, Ms. Hill answers. Music class is done. We say, thank you, Ms. Hill. Learn about American symbols. The music for the Star-Spangled Banner comes from an English song called To Anacreon in Heaven. The U.S. flag that flew over the fort was 30 feet, 9 meters, by 42 feet, 13 meters. Other countries have their own national anthems. Canada's is called O Canada. Japan's anthem is called Kimigayo. President Herbert Hoover made the Star-Spangled Banner our national anthem in 1931. Some Americans thought Yankee Doodle Dandy or America the Beautiful should be our national anthem. Glossary. Anthem, a song that celebrates a country. Banner, a flag. Lyrics, the words to a song. Learn more by following the links below. The end. We're going to make a patriotic foam visor. And your Craft to Go kit is the kit from Oriental Trading. It includes an adjustable visor and some stickers and directions. So we're going to open this up. Pull everything out. It looks like we have 2 firecrackers here. We have some stars and an S, some stars and an A, and some stars and a U. And we have this instruction paper that basically tells us just to stick the stars on and stick the firecrackers on, and then we'll be done. So let's put USA in the middle. I'm going to start with the S because that's dead center. I'm trying to separate this from the paper, but I cut my nails last night, so it's a little difficult. Okay, there's my S. we'll put on the U. And the A, and I made mine kind of toggled. So they're a little bit interesting. Make sure you pop out the center of the A. That paper doesn't want to come out. Okay, got it. So it says USA, and it looks like it's still a little off center, but you'll have that. Then you want to stick the firecrackers on. There's one. And this one's going out a little bit, but that's okay. And here's the second one. And then it just has you putting red, white, and blue stars on the way back. So there's a red one on each side. Unless, well, you don't have to do it that way. You do it how you want to. But I'm doing red, white, blue on each side. And it looks like there's an extra one of the white. So I probably should have started with white. So I'll do red, white, blue, white. I'm gonna put the big one next to, oops, I bent that down. There we go. And then we got blue. And we got one more white for each side. Looks like that'll take us all the way around back. And I bent the star again. Okay, straighten it out. Then all we do is we measure it around our head and put it however it needs to be on to fit your head. I'm assuming mine's going to be on the biggest because I'm an adult. But that's what it looks like. We got the red, white, and blue stars over there. Red, white, and blue stars over there. And it's sealed off there. And it fits my head. And that's all there is to it.